Wow, what a crazy week it has been in this market. Before I even start talking about it, let me just announce myself. My name is Jaden, and I pretty much go over my long-term dividend portfolio on a weekly basis. I invest $100 on a weekly basis and sometimes even more for special occasions. Well, there is no special occasion for myself, obviously. I'm paying myself first, if you know what I'm saying. But anyways, this week has been insane. So I found out, well, I saw that Wells Fargo cut their dividends, not completely, but a percentage wise. So you can see over here, it's now at 238 as an annual income. And I believe last week it was like 243-ish. You can check that out. I'm going to leave that link to that video in the description. But it's been a crazy week. Look at right here, Wells Fargo. See, it's like 1%. It's at 1.59%. It was about like 7% the other day. So I was like, what? But anyways, the market has been going crazy. Tesla announced it's doing a 5-to-1 stock split. Apple's 4-to-1 stock split, which is why I did which is why I invested, which is why I sold my Boeing, because Boeing is not giving dividends no more, at the moment at least. And I put about $562, I believe. But anyways, this week I did make two purchases, two buys, and you guys want to know what they are, obviously. So let me press activity and let's see what's up. I did these two buys due to the fact that it's right at the ex-dividend date. Target and XOM paid dividends, and August 12th was actually the ex-dividend date. So I did $50 into each. So $50 into Target was able to get me a little bit higher than a third of a share. And let's go see how that affects my portfolio. Let's go over to Target now. Target is my right here. I have a total of $232 invested into Target, and I have a 29% return right now into Target, but I'm not looking to sell that whatsoever. Let's see. One thing about Target that I want to talk about is, correct me on what I just said about I'm not looking to sell it whatsoever, because I'm kind of scared the fact that Target has a lot of competition. They have competition such as Amazon and Walmart. Amazon, I feel like, is going to take over everything online, and Walmart's always been there with Target. So yeah, I have that in the back of my head, but at the same time, places like that, retail stores, big ones like that, have an abundance amount of people. You know what I mean? Like, there's an abundance. Everybody's always going to need a Walmart or a Target. So I'm kind of like on the whatever side on that. But for right now, if it's paying me, it's working. So let's compare this now. So let's check my old one. Let's go over here. Let's go on the first page. Target is TGT's the initial. So let's do the difference, and let's see how much more dividends that's going to give me. So I have 1.72364 share. 1.72364. Let's see if I wrote that right. 1.72364. 1.12064. And my average share price is 113.02. 113.02. All right, so we're going to edit that. Remember, my annual income was at 238. Let's see what this does. And now my annual income rolls up $1. Does not seem like much, but hey, any little cent matters. And guess what? I'm doing nothing and I'm making this money. So that's annually right now. And next we're going to go to XOM, which is an oil company. And they pay pretty good dividends. There was a lot of talk about it when it had a massive drop. But let's go over. Right now, I'm up $14 on it. They've paid me pretty good dividends. As I've only have a little less than 5 shares, and I made $5.58 off of it. Like that ain't bad, man. Imagine if I had like 30 shares. You know what I mean? Like, making pretty good money off of this. But it's pretty risky, as you can see, because it had a massive drop due to what happened in March. But anyways, let's go and let's see what the difference that $50 that I invested into. Let's see the difference that it made into it. So let's find XOM. It's gonna be my second page. We're gonna press edit. Number of shares is gonna be 4.93904. 4.93904. And the cost per share, 4.93904. 4.93904. All right, $42.30. $42.30. $42.30. And let's see what this does to it. Wow, look at it. It went up $4. Look at that. It's crazy. XOM is a pretty good dividend paying, but it's not very stable, as you can see. Do your research, like I always say. So it rose me up $4 more. So now I have an annual income total of $243. And pretty much what I'm saying here is XOM is a good dividend payout, but it's not the stablest, if you know what I'm saying. But always do your own research and learn about it. So this is pretty much what happened this week. I did those two buys, did $50 into each, and stay tuned for more. I bought these in this certain exact time because I did it on the ex dividend date. So hopefully I will be getting paid my dividends for that reason. I did those two buys. And I feel like my portfolio is at a good state, but always you want to build, and put more into your portfolio. Right now, I have a total of $643, 600, I think it's $6,437 with 9 cents of my cash into my portfolio, and its current value is at $7,217 with 46 cents. So if you ask me, that's not bad. I'm almost at a 20% return. I'm literally doing nothing, getting paid, man. I'm telling you guys, you should really do this. You should learn more. I'm going to leave the link to the M1 Finance. For the M1 Finance, I'm going to leave that down below. And I actually have Robinhood also. I can leave that down below. And always, guys, do your own research. Learn what you're going to do. And know what you're getting yourself into, man. My name's Jaden. And thank you for tuning in. And I'm out.